Hey guys, it's Kimberly from It's So Emma, and we are so proud to introduce the Perfect 10 Ruler by Creative Grids. And it works great with layer cakes and 10-inch squares that everyone has in their house. So I'm going to give you a little tutorial on how you can use this ruler in your sewing room. So the first thing I'm going to do is show you how you can get 16 2.5-inch squares from one layer cake or 10-inch square. You'll see this ruler is exactly 10 inches. So we're gonna cut on the 2.5-inch line 3 times. So we're gonna do 2.5 inch. We're gonna move this into 5 inches. Oops, it moved, but you just put it right back. Then we're gonna go to the 7.5-inch line. Then we're just gonna rotate our mat and we're gonna do the same thing. This time I'll start with 5 inches just to kind of cut in the center. You've got 16 squares just like that, super easy. So let's move to the next thing the ruler can do. With this ruler, you can also cut 4 5-inch squares. So all you do is put your 5-inch line, cut, turn your mat, and another 5-inch line, and you get 4 5-inch squares. Another thing you can do with this ruler is cut down to a 9.5-inch square, which a lot of patterns have you use. Super easy. We have everything on the ruler labeled for the 9.5-inch in dark lines, and you just have to cut 2 sides. And the thing that I like about this ruler is when you're cutting with a bigger ruler, you know, you've got to move it around, and this makes it so convenient that you're just using exactly what you need. You don't have extra. It makes it easier to use when you've got a rotating mat. Another thing you can do is trim down your half square triangles. So I've made some, and you can either trim this down to 2.5 or 3, and it's super easy because we've got the lines for the bottom and the left, and then we've also got the diagonal line, and you just trim, and you can trim it down for a perfect size. And you can see that you can also do this on larger ones. Like we can trim this one down to 5 inches, or you can trim it to 4.5. So it can kind of make everything a little bit more precise for you. So pick up your Perfect 10 ruler at your favorite quilt shop.